Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, let's join a conversation at a restaurant. In this video, you will listen to a simple, real-life story between two friends, Sam and Mina, and the staff at the restaurant. Don't worry, I'll speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we begin, I have a little question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. This will help you understand the story even better. So here is today's question. What did Sam order for dinner? You will hear the answer in the conversation. If you find it, please share your answer in the comments below. Writing your answer in English is a great way to make your English even stronger. All right, let's get started. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Mina, over here.
Hey, Sam. Hi. Oh, sorry. Am I late?
No, not at all. You're right on time. I just got here a few minutes early.
Oh, good. I walked really fast because I didn't want to be late.
You didn't have to rush. It's so nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you too. It's been a long time, right?
Yes, I think the last time we met was maybe about 3 months ago?
I think so. We were at that little coffee shop near the station. Do you remember?
Yes, of course. We had that really good cake there. Anyway, are you hungry?
I'm very hungry. Actually, I'm starving. I only had a very small lunch today because I was so busy at work.
Oh no, me too, actually. I've been thinking about dinner all afternoon. I couldn't focus on my work at all.
That's funny. Same here. So, have you ever been to this restaurant before?
No, this is my first time. My friend Tom told me about it. He said the food is really good, and he comes here almost every month.
Oh, really? That's a good sign. It looks really nice from the outside, too. I love the warm lights.
Yeah, it has a really cozy feeling. Are you ready to go inside?
Yes, let's go in. I can't wait to see the menu.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. The reservation is under the name Sam.
Let me check for you. Yes, here it is. A table for two. Wonderful. Please follow me this way.
Thank you very much.
Here is your table, right by the window. Please have a seat and make yourselves comfortable.
Oh, this is a lovely spot. I love sitting by the window. We can even see the street from here. Thank you.
I'm glad you like it. Here are your menus. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, please. I'll have water and he'll have an iced tea.
Sure thing. 1 water and 1 iced tea. I'll bring those right away. By the way, would you like to hear about our specials tonight?
Yes, please. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. Our mushroom pasta is very popular. Many people order it every time they come. And the grilled chicken with lemon sauce is also a favorite.
Those both sound wonderful. We need a little more time to look at the menu if that's okay.
Of course, take your time. There is no rush at all. I'll be back with your drinks soon.
Thank you so much. That's very kind. Wow, Sam, look at these pictures. Everything on the menu looks so good. I don't know what to choose.
I know, right? There are so many options. It's really hard to decide. Oh, wait, they have a mushroom pasta. The waiter said it's popular, and I love pasta so much.
You always pick pasta wherever we go, every single time.
I just really love pasta. Pasta is my favorite food in the whole world. What about you? What are you thinking about getting?
Well, I want something light tonight. I'm really hungry, but I don't want anything too heavy. Maybe a salad or a soup or something with fish.
That makes sense. Oh, look at this. They have a spicy chicken dish with red peppers. That looks amazing.
Spicy? I don't really like spicy food. When I eat spicy food, my mouth gets so hot and my eyes start to water.
Oh, I see. I love spicy food, but okay, no spicy food for you tonight.
Thank you for understanding. Oh, what about this? The grilled fish with seasonal vegetables? It looks really fresh and healthy, and it's not too heavy.
That does look really good. So you're going to get the grilled fish.
I think so, yes. And what if we shared a salad? Look, the garden salad looks really fresh and colorful. It has tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots.
That's a great idea. I love sharing food. So I'll get the mushroom pasta, you'll get the grilled fish, and we'll share the garden salad. Sound good?
Perfect. Oh, and should we also get some bread for the table? I think bread goes really well with everything.
Oh, yes, great idea. I love warm bread. Let's definitely get some.
Okay, I think we know what we want now. Let's call the waiter.
Excuse me, we're ready to order now. Can we order?
Of course. What can I get for you today?
I'd like the mushroom pasta, please.
Great choice. That's one of our most popular dishes. Would you like a regular size or a large size?
I think regular size is fine for me, thank you. And she'd like the grilled fish with seasonal vegetables, please.
Excellent. Would she like that as a set meal? The set comes with a cup of soup and roasted potatoes.
No, thank you. Just the fish by itself is fine.
No problem at all. Is there anything else you'd like?
Yes, we'd also like one garden salad to share between us, please. And we'd like some bread for the table, too.
One garden salad to share and some bread. Got it. Would you like any more drinks with your meal?
Yes. Can I also get an orange juice, please? She's fine with just her water.
Sure. One orange juice. Is that everything?
Yes, I think that's everything for us. Thank you very much.
Let me repeat your order. One regular mushroom pasta, one grilled fish, one garden salad to share, bread, and one orange juice. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Wonderful. I'll put your order in right away. It shouldn't take too long.
Oh, Sam, look, our food is here. That was fast.
Wow, it looks amazing. It looks even better than the pictures on the menu.
It really does. And look at the salad. It's so colorful and beautiful. I almost don't want to eat it.
But we have to eat it. Can you smell the pasta? The mushroom and garlic smell is so good. It's making me even more hungry.
Yes, it smells wonderful. Everything smells so fresh. Okay, I can't wait anymore. Let's eat.
Let me try the pasta first. Oh my goodness, this is so good. The sauce is really creamy, and it's just a little bit salty. The flavor is perfect.
How are the mushrooms?
The mushrooms are so soft, and they have a really rich flavor. This might be the best pasta I've had in a long time.
That makes me happy. My grilled fish is also really delicious. The outside is so crispy, and the inside is very soft. The seasoning is just right.
Oh, that sounds perfect. And how are the vegetables that came with it?
They're really fresh and a little bit sweet. The carrots especially are so sweet and nice. I really like them.
The bread is also really nice. It's so warm and soft on the inside. Do you want to try some of my pasta?
Oh, yes, please. I'd love to try it. And do you want to try some of my fish?
Sure, let's trade a little bit. Here, try this.
Your pasta is really good. The cream sauce is so smooth. I can taste the garlic, too.
And your fish is great. The crispy part is really nice. I should have ordered fish, too.
Now you know what to order next time. I'm so glad we came here tonight.
Me too. I'm really happy right now.
The salad is also wonderful, by the way. The dressing is light and fresh, and it goes perfectly with everything.
You're right. Everything we ordered tonight was just perfect. I'm getting really full now, though.
Same here. I'm so full, but everything is so delicious that I don't want to stop eating. Okay, let's take a quick break here. Let's practice a few useful words from today's video. We have 5 words for you today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is reservation, meaning a plan to keep a table ready for you at a restaurant. For example, I have a reservation for 2 at 7 o'clock. The second word is recommendation, meaning an idea about what is good to try or to order. For example, do you have any recommendations for tonight? The third word is share, meaning to eat or use something together with another person. For example, let's share this salad together. The fourth word is check, meaning the paper that shows how much money you need to pay. For example, could we get the check, please? The fifth word is delicious, meaning very tasty and really enjoyable to eat. For example, this pasta is absolutely delicious. Nice work. That's it for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Sam and Mina at their table.
I think we're all done. Excuse me, could we get the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right over for you. Just one moment.
Is your check. I hope you enjoyed your meal tonight.
We really did. Everything was delicious. Thank you. By the way, can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. We accept all major credit cards and debit cards.
Great. That's good to know. How much is the total?
The total comes to $42.50.
Okay, that sounds right. Here's my card, please.
Thank you. Just one moment while I process this for you. Here you go. Your payment is all done. Thank you very much for coming tonight.
Thank you so much. The food was really wonderful, and the service was great too. We'll definitely come back again.
Thank you for saying that. That makes us very happy. Please come back anytime. Good night.
Good night. Thank you for everything.
Wow, that was such a good dinner. I'm so full right now. I don't think I can eat anything else for a while.
Me too. I'm completely full, but I'm also completely happy. That was honestly one of the best meals I've had in a very long time. I really enjoyed it.
I totally agree. My friend Tom was right. This place is really, really great. So what was your favorite dish tonight?
I think the grilled fish was my favorite. The crispy skin was so good. What about you?
Definitely the mushroom pasta. The cream sauce was so rich and smooth. I want to eat it again already.
You and your pasta. We should come back soon. Next time, I want to try the dessert. Did you see the chocolate cake on the menu?
Yes, it looked amazing. I also saw they have homemade ice cream. We need to come back for dessert.
Agreed. Let's plan it soon. Maybe in a couple of weeks?
That sounds great. Oh, by the way, it's such a nice evening. The air feels really cool and fresh.
It really is. I don't want to go home yet.
How about a short walk? There's a nice park not far from here.
That sounds wonderful. A walk after dinner is always a good idea.
Let's go this way. The park is about a 5-minute walk from here.
Perfect. Thank you for tonight, Sam. I had a really wonderful time.
Thank you too, Mina. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. I'm already looking forward to it. Okay, let's go for our walk.
Let's go.
How was it? I hope today's video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning once more. What did Sam order for dinner? The answer was right there in the conversation. Did you find it? If you did, please leave your answer in the comments below. Practicing English output like this is one of the best ways to grow your skills. On this channel, I share short stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you keep learning. I will keep uploading videos like this one, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to give the video a like and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.